global, and so are businesses. Culture is spread across the globe, which defines a person's choice and lifestyle. It is this inevitable global culture that a business catches up with before another catches them over. Let's rewind 20 years ago. What if businesses knew your choices in advance? What if you knew about a health scare before it's too late? Now let's get back to where we are. What if we choose a later date in a year to travel? Will the airfare drop? What if I book a private cab on a Tuesday instead of a Monday? Will the fare be less? What if I invest more? Will the return be sizably more too? Step into the world of data science, where the what ifs are now how to. A scientific approach to analyze, assess, validate, and predict is where data science has reached. Data-driven decision making is increasing in popularity. Earlier, analysts would rely on Excel, whereas academics would rely on SPSS and Stata for their statistical means. Now, we have a variety of technological and scientifically driven tools that is still being improvised the moment you think we had enough. But what is data science that makes it shine this bright? Data science is about extraction, preparation, analysis, visualization, and maintenance of information. You think that's enough? It is a cross-disciplinary field which uses scientific methods and processes to draw insights from data. You might not think about this, but data science even goes to the extent where companies use this to evaluate strategies that makes employees feel better at work so they can be more productive. How cool is that? It makes use of business intelligence, that is, data analysis and predictive analytics to assess the future of a business or predict behavior that may be detrimental or lucrative to a business. How would it start? It would usually start with ready data which may or may not be structured, and then moved to various scientific methods towards analytics. Let's work this around a real-life example, shall we? Have you ever seen videos on Facebook that shows a flashback of posts or images? Just like those you see on your birthday or on completing a few years of being friends with someone? If the answer is yes, you have seen examples of how Facebook uses data science. They offered its users to view and share their anniversary of being friends with people on Facebook by making a video of photos and posts shared by them. That was it. These were the photos and posts that received the most number of likes and comments on the feed. But how do they manage to do this? Or how are they collecting this data? The answer is you. Things you do and the information you provide. Things others do and the information they provide to Facebook. Your connections and networks on Facebook, financial information when you purchase on Facebook, information about how you access Facebook. This is all possible because of data science and machine learning. These technologies play a big role in contributing to the success of companies and helping them to provide unbelievable features to their users. Welcome to the world of data science.